good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions. Beats and Feasts, you know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today, it's everyday cooking, baby. So we're going to keep it nice and old school. We're going to take it back to my childhood. We're going to do just good old smoked sausage, potatoes, and sauerkraut in a cast iron skillet. And I know a lot of young people don't eat sauerkraut, but if you grew up in my era, you probably like sauerkraut. If you didn't, then it was just wasn't your taste. But hey guys, if you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with some smoked sausage, potatoes, and sauerkraut. Alright guys, so the supporting cast is very, very simple. We got a good old sauerkraut here. I'm straining it out in the strainer. I'm going to put that back in the sink. I just wanted to show you. And then we got my potatoes. I cut up in little cubes and got them in some water so they don't oxidize on me. Some smoked sausage. I got about 3/4 of an onion cut up, and nothing other than salt and pepper. Simple. It's very simple. But hey guys, let's get started on this. Alright, so we're over here at the cast iron skillet. Got a little bit of oil in here, and I'm just going to pour in my potatoes. Get those popping off and started. Alright, so we're going to let these cook for a minute. They're going to take a second. So you don't want to rush your potatoes. They're going to take a second. And we'll start to turn them as they get brown. The bottom layer gets brown. And that'll be it. So it's going to take a minute. I'll be back in a minute. Back at the skillet. You can see potatoes are starting to brown up nicely. We're going to let them get nice and soft here. So it'll be a few more minutes. Can't rush the potatoes. In just a minute, I'll probably season them up here as well. But they're coming along nice. I'm going to try to spread them to one layer here. There we go. Alright, the onion's cooking up nice. Or sorry, the potatoes are cooking up nicely. So now I'm going to sprinkle my onions in here. Get those nice and translucent. Mix them all up together. Ah, yeah, smelling good, smelling good. Alright, I'm going to throw a little bit of seasoning on this. Got our pink Himalayan sea salt. You know how I get down. Some black pepper. You know I like my pepper. Mix these potatoes and onions up nice. Ah, yeah. Smelling good, smelling good. Guys, so look at this. Ah, the potatoes are browning up nice. Let me get a bite of a larger one so I can see how tender they are. Just where I need it. Throw in my smoked sausage. Gonna let those cook up. Get nice and brown with the potatoes and the onions. Oh man, this is gonna be some good eating. Alright guys, I'm gonna start adding my sauerkraut now. Oh my God, this is gonna be good. And so now I'm just gonna cover it. I'm just gonna cover it. Turn the heat down to about 4 or 5, and we're just gonna let it cook. And then I'll come in, I'll toss it up just a little bit. So I'm gonna mix it up a little bit, but before I do so, I'm gonna sprinkle the top here. A little bit of black pepper. You know how I like my pepper. We're gonna mix this up in here. All right. Give a little taste, see where my salt content and pepper is at. But I'm just gonna cover it up. Let it continue cooking. Guys, here we go. Sauerkraut is nice. Ooh, Lord. Smoked sausage is nice. Potatoes are wonderful. Man, it's done, guys. I'm gonna plate this up for you, and you know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite. There you go. Potato, sauerkraut, smoked sausage. I put a little Brussels sprouts on the side. It's just everyday cooking for me. Simple and easy, homemade, rustic. Can't get better than that. But you know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for my bite. Homemade potatoes, sauerkraut, and smoked sausage. Little Brussels sprouts on the side. Hey guys, you know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for that bite. But this is everyday cooking for me. Just stuff I had in the refrigerator, and I wanted to make a meal, so. Oh guys, this is out of this world. You need to try this. If you don't know about this, you need to know. But hey guys, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Toad signing off. Peace.